to the Full Octane Garage. Today's tech tip is going to be how to test a new wiring system in the safest manner possible. Okay, you've just completed a new wiring system on a custom build, which is exactly what we've done here. We haven't hooked anything up in the system yet. We do have all of the wiring complete. We have not thrown the switch to turn the ground on. So, the safest way to start testing to make sure that you don't have any direct shorts, because if you do have a direct short and you were to turn your battery on, you are going to have a big spark, if not a potential fire. You want to avoid that, and here's a simple way to do that. Basically, get an inline fuse unit, and I put one of the smaller level fuses. I put a 10 amp fuse in to start with. And what I'm going to do is I am going to jumper the ground post on the battery to the ground post on the guillotine switch. I happen to have a guillotine switch, and so now any current flowing through the vehicle is going to come through this fuse, and if it doesn't blow the 10 amp fuse, you're in good shape. So that means I have no direct shorts in this system at the moment because it did not blow my 10 amp fuse. I don't have any fuses in the fuse box. I want to look at all the electrical systems in my truck that use a 10 amp fuse or smaller, put that fuse in and start testing it one at a time and see if I actually blow a fuse here. The next thing, we'll step up that fuse to the 20 amp circuits and the 30 amp circuits, and then we'll eventually have tested most of the electrical system. This is going to ensure that you don't have any direct shorts in the system and you have less risk of damaging your existing wiring system and causing a fire. So we're going to get to testing the rest of the system, and hopefully we've done everything right. So thanks for being with us at the Full Octane Garage for this wiring tech tip. It's just a small video we wanted to do to hopefully ease your mind when you're testing a new wiring system. The very first time I tested a wiring system, I was terrified to hook that ground post up because I thought something might be wrong, and my gosh, I didn't want to see sparks flying. An old friend of mine who in the car industry gave me this tech tip way back, and I have used it on every build since. So thanks for being with us at the Full Octane Garage. If you like our videos, don't forget to like and subscribe, tell your friends all about it, and come back often.